Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to upload music to Spotify. First of all, open up your Spotify application, and when you are on the home page, at the top right, make sure to tap on this gear icon. After that, make sure you guys scroll down until you see an option called Local Files. Once you find it, all you guys need to do next is click on it and enable Show Audio Files from this device. So after you enable it guys, go ahead and click on your library at the bottom right and then click on the local files. After that, Spotify will show you all the songs on your local files that you can add to your own playlist or to listen to. In this case, for some reason your tracks could not be shown here, but there's a solution to that. All you guys need to do is email Spotify support and tell them your issue. They will fix it for you as soon as possible. Also guys, if you are a creator and you're looking forward to upload your own music to Spotify, that's not going to be the case because it is not possible to do that by your own. You actually need a music distributor or something like this, and you have to go through all the process in order to do that. So guys, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.